Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy F34, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, firstly, we need to open the settings, and then in settings we need to scroll down and find this device battery and device care, and find storage. And here you can check how much space you have used. If you have used over the 70%, it means that you need to free up the space, because even if you have storage over the 70%, your smartphone is slowing down. So now fill up your storage over the 70 or 75%. Keep 30% of the storage free. The next aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM, so open memory in device and digital care and click RAM Plus and set here 4 GB of RAM Plus and reboot your device. In this way your system will use small part of the internal normal storage and will use it like a part of RAM. In this way you can boost your device. And of course, from time to time you need to open storage and just click on, for example, images, remove duplicated images you don't need, disable. Here you can check apps you are not using right now, but of course you need to grant access to check it. So click apps. Here you will see the list of all applications, and these applications are sorted by size. And for example, TikTok is using 400 megabytes of in my storage, so I just removed it. Great, so great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.